So this is pretty awesome. This has just arrived and I'm stoked. It smells so good. Of course it's going to smell good, it's Lush. So in here, wow. It's huge. It smells so good. To be fair, I would have thought they would have actually packaged them in the paper bags before putting them in here. But okay. Interesting. Anyway. Considering one moment, I need to get something to put these in. So I didn't pause the video, apparently I stopped the video, but anyway. So they've just put them in the box like this, which is okay, that's fine. I've got a piece of kitchen paper here, so I'm probably going to wrap them in that. But for now, I'm going to place them on here. Here's the other bright side one I bought. Smell absolutely amazing. That's the one downside to them being all in the same box. The blue one's kind of gone on to the orange, but oh well. Blue one, which is called... Sorry, I should have done this properly. The orange ones are called Brightside Bubble Bar. The blue one is Blue Skies and Fluffy White Clouds Bubble Bar. Both smell amazing. However, when you read the paperwork, it does state that all products with packaging have the ingredients printed on the labels. Well, I did say with packaging. Hooray! Helping Hands hand cream, because quite frankly my hands have been dry as anything from all this hand washing that I've been doing, and I need to help them be not so dry. Oh! But they wrap this one. Not those ones, but they wrap... This is the Outback Mate soap. It's got a eucalyptus smell to it, I do believe. It's very nice. I did buy some in a shop at some point before all the craziness happened. I haven't started using it yet, but I thought I'd buy another one just so that when I start using the other one, I've got backup for when I need it. There's a lot of these things here. And here is, last but no means least, one, the Purse de Resistance. This is huge! Oh my. It's as big as the box. Wait, why does the box almost rather? Bearing in mind that's around about the normal size that it would be. I didn't realise how big it was going to be. That's amazing. Love it. So good. Anyway, this is a Lush unboxing because apparently, yeah. I didn't introduce this video, but okay. Enjoy, guys, because only one take and all that.